If you have new players at the table and you tell them, I always want everyone to always role play, they'll find that daunting. They might not want to put on an accent. They might not want to even speak in first person. But what I mean by role playing is merely that I want you to say what a living, breathing character and person would say or do in this coherent world. So whether they say something out loud in first person or just say, I think Grognar would probably lose his temper and get angry at the king at the expense of the rest of the party. Beautiful. Just be a writer of a novel and of a scene in a movie script and give us the ideas. I used to be one of those that put pressure on my players and go, no, let's act this out. I enjoy the improv. I enjoy the acting bits. But I realize that's not to every player's taste. And you can still go really far with a player that merely describes what their character's doing, as long as what that character's doing makes sense in the world. Because the rest of us in our minds, we honestly can extrapolate and imagine just what they would be saying. You know, some groups enjoy that dialogue between players. Maybe they won't be a fit for you. But I try and not put too much pressure on players. I tell them, listen, when I tell you to role play, don't stress about being performative. Just rather be consistent. That's more important, that the character makes sense. If this character were in a movie or in a novel, their motivation and their actions would follow from who they are and from what's happened to them. Simple as that. And I think that's less pressure on the players, and they'll be creative enough to think of what to do next.